law of sines part, which states that sine of A over A equals the sine of B over B equals the sine of C over C, which is like really simple to understand. I don't think you'll have a hard time getting it, but here's like a more like well known example, because like you're probably used to right triangle trig at this point and it feels weird to switch up. But let's say we have a right triangle, right? And this is side A, or angle A. This is going to be angle B, and this right here is angle C. So do you remember A squared plus B squared equals C squared? Of course you remember that. You really should remember that. But this is proven by here because this is C, and then these are interchangeably A and B because it really doesn't matter. But here, you would put the B as like opposite in the law of sines, because I don't really know either. I don't know. But this is little b, this is little a, and this is little c. So what this basically says, and let's show like a equals 5 or something. So we can say that we can take this and we can take this and make them equal each other because they are equal to each other. So we can take the sine of A over 5 equals the sine of C, which is 90 degrees. So we can change that to 90 degrees because we know the value over C. And we don't know the value of C, and it really doesn't matter, right? Because we can, well, it does matter, but we can cross multiply sine of 5 sine of 90 degrees, and then sine A equals sine A times C. And this basically means that sine of C times little a equals C times sine of A. And it also means that B sine A equals A sine of B. And you can also flip them around, and you can say, well, A equals B equals C. And then you can put sine A over sine B, and then sine of C.